Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to create a project, add a task group and manage people who take part in our project. Let's say you have a sports hall to build and you want to create a project. On the left, click the project section. To add a new project, click Add. This is the field for adding a new project. Enter the name of the project. Construction of a sports hall. Each of the projects may have individual numbering that we can manage in the settings. We have to add a constructor to each project and select at least one project manager. Then select the start and the end date of the project. The project type text field is not obligatory, and its options can be managed in the system settings. You can also set a budget for the project and add tags so that you don't waste time searching for the projects that you need. The last option is users see only their own tasks. When selected, employees in the project will only see the tasks they have been assigned to. After adding the project, we automatically go to the People tab. Here, we manage people who are assigned to and will work on a given project. We simply add people to the project by entering the letters of their first or last name. After adding people to the project, we can see all these people in one place. Each of them can be appointed project manager, or you can simply leave them a note. At this point, we are in the task group. After having added the project, the task group is saved automatically and it will have the same name as the project. After having added the project, the task group is saved automatically. By clicking Add Task Group, enter the name, start and the end date of the task group. The description field is optional. After clicking the Save button, we have created another task group. To assign people to a task group, click the green icon in the verse Construction of a Sports Hall. And then we select people from among those who have been assigned to the project. Remember, only people assigned to the task group will see this group in the project. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.